stand there while they let that thing up there.
Oh, that's true. What are those things?
God, is it
That
yours?
thing
Is that
go
or what?
down. Oh, he's dragging. I see what he's doing. He's dragging it away from the hill.
What's going to happen when they lift it up? He's dragging it over.
What's phenomenal is that there could have been people around that other bin working. Somebody could have got crushed.
He was coming to get our garbage, I guess our garbage is together yet.
It actually, he was here for the neighbor's garbage. He was here for 10.
My daughter, she didn't know my daughter's going in the dairy. She said when she got to the dairy, they popped, turned around, they didn't stop anywhere. It's 6 and she goes back to 6. She got all the way back to 6 or back to. But that was like 3 hours later after the whole told us that. Oh, the whole cop's coming on. The cab doesn't look like it's attached to the back of the truck. It's like doing its own thing. Oh, because it's lifting the lift.
Oh, man.
It is gas pouring out.
Or garbage. Garbage juice.
Garbage juice, yes. That's got a nice...
Oh,
bin under there. Oh, that's not their bin either.
No.
That bin?
They're paying for that.
Yeah, buddy said $8,000.
For a bin?
That's how much it's worth, $8,000. Just the bin.
It's probably going to cost them $10,000.
That truck's probably worth freaking $250,000.
Still feels like it's completely the tire is bent.
Oh, yeah. Ooh.
It doesn't sound like it's going to...
Look at that.
Whoa.
Oh, something's breaking.
That's the fence, I think.
Oh, no, it's the back tires.
Oh, is it?
Oh, yeah.
Look at it. Look at the back tires.
The cop's even further away now. He's over here.
Yes, bro.
Hey!
Should we clap?
Yeah.